Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install the WoodMart theme on WordPress. We'll also import demo data for an online store. Before we start, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel. WoodMart is a versatile theme suitable for various types of businesses. It includes a wide range of templates for different niches. I'll be installing the theme with an electronic store template. This is what the website will look like once it's set up. There are many sections and categories here, including a blog section and more. I have WordPress set up on a local server using MAMP on my PC, and the theme installation process will take place on this local server. Essentially, the installation process is the same as it would be on regular online hosting. You can find a link in the description to a video on how to set up a local server with MAMP on your PC and install WordPress there. To install the theme, go to the WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Themes tab, and upload the WoodMart theme. I already have the theme on my PC, so I'll upload it. In the extracted folder, select the theme's zip file. Go back to the Themes section and activate WoodMart. A theme setup window will open. Here, just click Next. Here you'll need to enter the theme's license key, which can be found in the Purchased Themes folder. In my case, the theme is already activated, so no key is required. Click on the next step. In this step, we need to install the child theme. This is necessary to prevent any changes from being reset when the main WoodMart theme is automatically updated. Click Install. Next step. Here, the theme prompts you to choose a page builder for constructing all blocks and pages. You can choose between Elementor and WP Bakery. Since I'm more familiar with Elementor, I'll select it and proceed to the next step. In this step, we need to install the plugins included with the theme. The plugins marked in red are essential for the theme to function properly, while the ones listed below are optional. Since I'll be setting up an online store theme, I'll install all the plugins. Any unnecessary plugins can be disabled later. Elementor is already installed, so I'll only install the plugins that aren't yet on my site. Here, you can select a template and import all the demo data. To do this, you'll need to install and activate the WooCommerce plugin. Click here to begin. Now we're installing the WooCommerce plugin. It's installed, so let's go here to activate it. Activated. Next, go to Appearance, Install Plugins, and install another plugin called Slider Revolution. Once it's installed, go to the Plugins section and activate Slider Revolution. Now we need to install the template and import the demo data. Go to Theme Settings / WoodMart Pre-Built Websites. Here, we can choose a template from a wide selection of templates for different business sectors. I will install the template with demo data for an electronics online store. You can preview it and take a look at the website's design beforehand. Click on Import and wait for the data to be imported, including all images, products, text, and structure. Or something went wrong, the import was interrupted. Let's try again. And once again, it gets interrupted. Most likely, we need to increase the memory limit in the wp-config.php file. Go to the folder with your website and open the wp-config.php file. Then add the code, define WP score memory limit 500. The code will be in the video description. Save the file. Go to the site's admin panel, refresh it, and try the import again. The issue hasn't been resolved. Let's try once more. Same thing. There should be no issue with the hosting server online. If there is, this problem can be addressed through your hosting provider's technical support. I'll try changing the values in the MAMP local server itself. Go to the MAMP conf.php7.416/ folder and open the file with a text editor. We'll change the values there and save the changes. I'll restart MAMP. Let's refresh. Click on Import. The same issue again. Let's check how the site looks now. Looks good. Now go back to the PHP file where we changed the values and change one more setting. Restart the MAMP server and return to the import. Again, the import failed. Click on Import once more. And now everything has been imported. Let's go to the site and check how it looks. We can see that some menu items have been duplicated due to multiple import attempts, but we'll fix that. Let's go to Appearance Menus. In the header menu, there are many duplicated menu items, so I'll remove them. I've deleted all duplicates, and now the menu should look like this. We'll save the changes. Now there are no duplicates in the menu. Next, let's work on the right menu. Go back to Appearance Menus and select Header Right menu. Here we'll also delete any duplicates. The duplicates are removed. We'll save it. Let's check the site, and now everything looks good. Everything is working. It's perfect. We also have duplicates of menu items in the mobile version of the site, so let's delete those too. The menu can also be edited through the Theme settings. We'll go to the Customize tab in the top panel. Next, click Menus and select the menu you want to edit. You'll see duplicates here, so we'll delete them. This is how the menu should look. I'll edit the other menus in the same way. To save the changes, we need to click the blue Publish button. Now let's check the mobile view. You can still see some duplicates, so let's remove the remaining ones and refresh the page. Now everything is perfect. In the footer, some sections still use default relative links, meaning they won't open if we navigate to the blog. We can change these links, but it's also fine to leave them as they are. When we transfer the site to a hosting with a domain connection, these links will work correctly. Let me show you where to edit the footer. Go to Theme Settings, Footer, and in the Widgets tab, we can change the footer's appearance. In HTML blocks, you can edit the footer using the Elementor editor. To start editing, click Edit Block. This opens the Elementor editor where we can edit all footer content. I'll copy the blog page link and paste it into the section. Click Publish. Now everything works perfectly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're interested in learning how to use the WoodMart template, leave a comment. Also, if this video gets more than 100 likes, I'll make a tutorial on using the WoodMart theme. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.